Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a no contact reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 18th of May. Rules can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me, want to have personal reading or healing sessions, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self-Love course, 2 links are given below in the description box, so let's start. Okay, Pisces, the person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. Let's see what we have. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Death card, and the Queen of Swords. Oh. They're very much in this energy of I don't care. I don't give a shit. Okay, I tried with Pisces. We had different opinions. We were two different people. We were not able to come on the same page. I gave my best shot. Now it didn't work out. Good. I don't care. So this is the kind of attitude this person is carrying. Basically, this person is not connected to their heart right now, and they are feeling very much in this not negative energy. They are feeling very much detached from this energy right now, from this connection right now, and they're feeling kind of little bit bitter. They are not in the better position. They're in a bitter position where they feel like, okay, we tried, we failed. Happens, shit happens all the time. So what? They are in this attitude of so what right now. Okay, they're feeling like, okay, whatever happened, they can't change it. But instead of trying to become a better energy, better version, they are in this energy of, okay, messed up, fucked up, what now, what next? I know what I want, I know what I'm doing, don't tell me, don't teach me. That's the kind of attitude this person is carrying right now, that even if somebody else is going to tell them that they should do this or that, they're going to be like, I don't care, don't give a damn, why are you telling me? I know. Okay, that kind. Good. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Four of Swords, the Sun card, and the Nine of Cups. They just want to heal the situation. Like they just want to heal and detach from everything that's making them unhappy, and they want to be fucking happy in their life, as much as happy as they can, and they want to have their wish and desires fulfilled. So basically, this person wants to create their own happy world and live in that happy world without any kind of um, without any kind of issues, without any kind of ifs and buts or conflicts or anything from the outside world. So basically, this person wants to heal themselves from the core so that they can be happy within their own little world, and they can create their own reality. They can create their own wish fulfillments and desires. So basically, they are learning it the hard way, but they are learning the power of self love, self healing, and this energy of remaining happy with themselves first, and then maybe attracting the right person, right energy. Yep, okay. So they want to create their own little world of happiness, and they don't want anybody to disturb them in any way. Okay. And they want to do it with detachment, with a lot of healing, with this energy of, okay, I know what to do. Okay. Attitude off. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 18th of May. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands. They're weighing down their options. They're weighing down their energies of pros and cons of what they should do and what they should not do. Should they put in the effort and energy in this direction? Should they put in the effort and energy in some other direction, some other things? Okay, they're weighing down their options. They are kind of trying their best to figure out what's the best way for them to live their life to the fullest, and what's the best way to for them, so that they are going to drop this weighing down energies, drop this burdensome and heavy kind of situations out of their out of their system, life out of their system. What's wrong with my tongue today? I don't know. So I don't think they are going to take any kind of action in this direction right now, but they are obviously thinking about what they should do and what they should not do in order to make their life more comfortable, more peaceful, and more happy. That is not directly directed towards you, this energy. Right now, you're not that much in the equation where they are just working on themselves, with themselves, for themselves. They are not working on this factor of making it work out with you. They're trying to figure out a way to be happy in their own life so that they can live the best, create the best life and best version of themselves. With the situation, they're kind of bitter. Their intention is kind of being very very happy with themselves, and in their actions they're like, okay, trying to figure out the best way out of the situation, so that they can understand whether they should ever connect or like remain disconnected from the idea of coming forward towards the situation towards you. For you, the guidance, it is the Four of Wands. If you are looking for commitment, a long-term partnership, a stable relationship, and you are never going to get it from this person, this energy, it's high time for you to realize that this is a goodbye, and never looking back kind of energy is required from your side, so that you can attract the kind of energy, the kind of person, the kind of committed kind of partnership that you're looking forward to have in your life. But if you're going to remain stuck on the idea of maybe they're going to change their mind someday, maybe they're going to come back and everything is going to be fine, it's never going to give you the kind of happiness that you're looking forward to have, Pisces. Try to understand the point here. In order to make room for something that you want, you have to let go of something that is not aligning with your values and energies anymore. Hard, but yes. Not impossible, but and highly, highly required, recommended. Okay. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.